The Form 3 and Form 3L are powered by low-force stereolithography. This advanced print process adapts to your part's geometry to consistently deliver flawless prints. At the heart of the machine is the Light Processing Unit, or LPU, an enclosed laser system that uses spatial filtering and a parabolic mirror for uniform illumination across the build area. A flexible tank reduces forces while printing for incredible surface finish with fewer supports, while the LPU provides precisely controlled linear illumination for accuracy and repeatability. Another advantage of LFS is that it works at scale. The Form 3L uses 2 staggered LPUs to offer 5 times the print volume. With twice the laser power, now you can print large parts fast. Easily switch between an ever-expanding library of materials with our auto-dispensing resin system. Integrated sensors ensure consistent and reliable performance at every step of the process. Our simple software helps growing teams work more efficiently, so you can move on to the next challenge. The Form 3 and Form 3L, powering breakthroughs every day.